One step closer every single day, that's all that matters. Welcome to another day of my NEET drop year. The day started with my physics class. Every day I'm trying to stay a little more consistent than the last one, and honestly that's only my goal right now. After physics, it was time for physical chemistry. Once the lecture was over, I finally completed yesterday's botany lecture because I really wanted to clear the backlogs I had created last day. After that, I had my lunch and then left for my driving classes. When I came back home, I was feeling a little hungry, so I made myself some Maggie before getting back to studying. Then I attended today's botany lecture, and with that my Monday backlog was finally over. Honestly, clearing a backlog feels so satisfying. It feels like a huge weight has been lifted off my shoulders. And by the way, thank you so much for helping us reach 500 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. If you are new here and you are enjoying this realistic NEET drop year vlog, don't forget to subscribe and become a part of this journey. We still have a long way to go, and I will love to have you with me till the end. By the time I finished everything, it was already 11 p.m. So before calling it a day, I quickly solved today's botany DPP and one chemistry DPP. I still have around 3 to 4 DPPs left from physics and chemistry. I have not been able to solve them because of time. I will definitely finish them as soon as possible. That's it for today's vlog. Every day may not be perfect, but every small step counts. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care and keep working towards your dream.
Ayan, mami.